Bundle of socks for air. Downtown, me there, downtown. Cheap shoes, sail out, soap. Runner. shoes, buy them out. Buy one, get one. Tangerine, green beans. Downtown, me there right now, you know. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here in France, and we are heading out. Today is actually a holiday here. Yeah, you heard it right. It's a Monday. It's holiday here, but we're heading out because Tyler have a competition this morning. Tyler does track and field as extracurricular activity at a club, so he has some kind of track and field activity going on this morning. So we are heading out so that Tyler can go to that. So the entire crew is ready, and bags packed, lunch packed, and we're just gonna go to give my boy a good support. I'll be the loudest parent in the stand cheering on Tyler. Hopefully you can hear my loud mouth. You guys know how we do, especially when it's track and field as Jamaicans. We bring that energy, that vibe. But I'll try and capture as much of it as possible. Sarah, close it. Put it back. No. Yes, put it back, please. Put it back. Close it. Thank you. Close it. Good job. Come and tell Faves morning. Come here. So I'll try and capture as much of it as possible for you guys. They can't see you. Wait. Say good morning, Faves. Look. Hey, come here. Say good morning. You're eating cheese? Say good morning. Good. Which shirt is that, babe? Oh, the one that he had the first time? Okay. Anyway, you guys, so let me make you guys say hello to the rest of the family. So stick and stay to find out how Tyler will do in his competition and all that. Don't skip through today's vlog. Enjoy every single bit of it, and we love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Let's go find Tyler. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's find Tyler. Let's see Tyler. Let's see the boy of the hour. First thing first, why are your clothes on the ground?
And second thing?
When you complete the first thing, I'll tell you what's the second thing. He have that habit.
Second thing?
Second thing, say good morning to the faves.
One. And third thing?
Are you ready for competition?
Yes, and fourth thing?
How are you feeling?
Good.
You ready to hear Mama loud mode say, go Tyler?
Yes, and 16?
16 is we're almost ready to go.
And 17?
Are you ready?
Yes, and 18?
I'm gonna leave you.
And 19?
Bye.
And
He's too
20?
funny.
And 20?
I'm gonna leave you in the house.
Don't leave me in the house. You call me when it's time.
Okay, I'll call you.
Number 10, call me when it's time.
Alright.
Règle numéro 1, Tyler a toujours raison. Règle numéro 2, même si Tyler a tort, se reporter sur la règle numéro 1.
He's so funny. He said rule number 1. Tyler is right. And rule number 2, go back to rule number 1, number 1. Anyway, guys, hey, come on my couch with your shoes. Sit.
Good morning.
You ready? You're gonna say, go Tyler. Yes? We are downtown Kingston, you guys. Look at this market that I came upon. Cheap everything. Wow.
It's like
Wow.
It's like normal.
No, I have to tell Tashika about the market here. Look at this. They have everything. Look. They have bubbles. They have clothes. They have drapes. Ooh. It's like downtown Kingston we are right now. We downtown. Household items, cups, glass. Boy, look at this. Pots and pans. Look, they have pots. This is definitely downtown. Cheap shoes, sail out, soap, runner. shoes, buy them out. Buy one, get one. Tangerine, green beans. Downtown me there right now, you know. I'm literally downtown Kingston. And they have mats, they have chair seats. What a market big. I'm trying to call my friend Tashika to say she wants to come market. The crowd is huge. Okay, let's continue. Look at the crowd, you guys.
Going stadium.
Eh? When we finish?
No, we're going stadium now.
No, I was saying to turn back if we can't manage with the pussette. Stadium. Look at this outfit. Yes. Where else we gonna go? Outfits look nice. Yeah, €2. Cielo. Buy out. Look at the nice top. €7. Look, what? Outfits for days. And shoes and slippers. €5 for slippers. Bags. Georgia, if I wasn't going stadium, I would definitely stay in here and buy something, but I don't got no time. I would definitely go to a little shopping, but I'm sure these people don't even take cards, and I don't have no cash, so it wouldn't even make sense. No, they don't. Babe, say if I think downtown Kingston take cards. Look, dress is €5. Not cause it's trick. Wow, they have nighty. Oh my gosh, they have everything. Everything. Tyler, hold on to me. I'm going 2 pair for €10. Who's buying? Two pair of shoes, €10. If I knew that this market was there. Oh my god, there's seasonings over here. Hold on to me tight though, let me go. Bundle of socks for air. Downtown, me there, downtown. Alright, I'm leaving this market now, going to Tyler competition. That market is amazing. No, the market was there, or else I would definitely come and shop. So cheap, literally feel like I'm downtown. That was cool.
But very big.
No, that's not a normal market. 2 shoes for €10 is where you're gonna find that. Not in this life. That's definitely downtown. We're down at town. That was a good experience. It bringing me back home for a second. No, babe? You don't feel like downtown for true?
Yeah, but I get used to that since I'm baby.
Oh, this kind of market? Ah, that market shot. Feel like I'm downtown. Anyway, you guys, we have arrived. We are in advance, of course. Put up my umbrella. Yes, because good to make sure she carry her umbrella so she don't get burned in the sun. And the kids are eating, so that Tyler can have something in his stomach before competition begins. And I'm gonna also eat because I make salad for Babe and I, so we can have our lunch. Yeah, so we're here, gonna wait on registration, and then the competition shall begin. She eat off one already? How many you have in yours, Ty? You have, how many you have remain?
2.
And you ate off one already? Or that's your first one?
This one is my second one.
Okay, I'm gonna put some in my face. Some in my face.
Spray it in my hand. Sunscreen, the lobsters. Yes, honey, you're gentle. Your tender touch. You put on your neck already?
No, not yet.
Give me some more for your neck. But put it on my fingertips. More. Voila. Tyler is lining up right now to start with relay, some kind of hurdle relay they're gonna do. He's in this team right here. He's wearing a red hat in this team, so he's somewhere in there.
Ça part très très fort. Transmission témoin.
Go sit beside Papa, go. Ty. Come on, Ty. Let's go, Ty. Allez, Ty. Good, Ty. Oh la la. Go on, Ty. Yes, Ty. Good, Ty. He's gonna pass the baton now to finish. Come on, Tyler. Hop, hop, hop. Run, Ty. Run, Tyler. Yay. So it's the last event of the day, and Tyler is about to do a 600 meters. So they're starting here where you see all those kids all the way back there, and then they're gonna come all the way here and then one more lap around the track. So let's see how he's gonna do with this one. Go, Ty, the finish! Go! Come on, Ty! Go, Ty! Very tired mama coming to you right now. My gosh, we did not get back home. We did not get back home until 5 o'clock. Can you imagine? I got back home and jumped right into the kitchen because I was hungry, I was exhausted, and I run a ship in this kitchen. I wouldn't say a boat, it's a ship. In Jamaica we say we run a boat when we cook. Me I run a boat. Yeah, if you hear a Jamaican, if you're a non-Jamaican and you hear a Jamaican say me I run a boat, that means they're cooking. How many times you gonna tell them good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, they hear you. Anyway, go to the table, go on, go sit in a chair. So I finished cooking and it's now time for dinner. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick what I made for dinner because I didn't show you guys the whole process. So here goes dinner. Can you tell whose plate is this? Broccoli and chicken, broccoli, quinoa and chicken, and the kids are having chicken and macaroni and cheese and broccoli. Sarah like her broccoli plain, and Sarah don't have any sauce on her broccoli like everybody else. So you guys, Tyler team came in I think 5th out of 7 teams, and that's how the competition went. So I'm just coming on to give you a little update on that and to end today's vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as we did. It was a rough, exhausting day, but comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, and catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you tomorrow.